How to duplicate tasks in Wrike. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate tasks in Wrike. So to get started, go ahead and open Wrike.com into your preferred browser, and then go ahead and head over into that space where you want to duplicate a task to. So go ahead and click on the space dashboard of where you want to duplicate a task to. And then once you're on the dashboard of that space, go ahead and select a data that you want to duplicate. So in here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the right side of that specific data. And then once you click on it, you'll be able to find a drop down menu. So from here, select duplicate, and then into the section, go ahead and set the name of this duplicate data along with the location and what to copy from this specific data, and then click on this duplicate button to duplicate it successfully. And that is how you can basically duplicate tasks in Wrike. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.